medyo simpunado kayo ang tingog sa itong mga estudyante. Pero the best part is they sing it from their heart. Palagpakan na itong mga graduates. Parents and guardians, now it is my great pleasure to introduce the dedicated faculty and staff, those who have stood before your children every single day, guiding, teaching, and supporting them throughout the past 2 years. Okay, I would like to call Teacher Delo in front of the stage, please. Teacher Belmar. Teacher Matt. Of course, Teacher MC. And our emergency teacher, Ma'am Esencia Sares, SIGTA, our deaf and vocal person. Our junior trainers, Mr. J.L. Bacuna, Mr. Fred Montero, Mr. Jerry Manuel Mando, Mr. Oliver Salablaget, Joseph Rinu Versosa, Mr. J.R. Tibudan, AR staff, canteen personnel, Miss Jackie Aramia, and Miss Agnes Pulido, please come on stage. Together with our friendly guard, Chief Richie Cholato. Our guidance counselor, Pastor June Hurtado, Jr. Okay, one of our trainers also, I forgot to call, Mr. Noel Obilio. Admin office, of course, Ma'am Nubaino, Ma'am Carmelita Duque, our registrar, Ma'am Celine Dormiendo. And our senior trainers, Sir Gilbert Sabute, and again, Sir Gunter Tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a big warm round of applause to the incredible men and women of the Binaban Institute of Technical Education Corporate. Our devoted faculty and staff who have worked tirelessly to educate, inspire, and guide our students every step of the way. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me now take your seats. Before I end my speech, allow me to leave you with a Bible verse for us all to reflect on. It comes from the book of Proverbs, chapter 19, verses 20 and 21. Listen to the advice and accept instruction, that you may gain wisdom in the future. Many are the plans in the mind of a man, but it is the purpose of the Lord that will stand. As you move forward in life, may you always seek wisdom, remain open to guidance, and trust that no matter what happens, no matter what plans you make, it is God's purpose that will ultimately lead you to where you're meant to be. Thank you, and once again, congratulations to the graduates of the class of 2025. To God be the glory.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mike Joaquin. And once again, congratulations to graduates. The tribute to parent song is really chosen by most of your kids or your children na graduate. They say, mas nindot ang salamat nga song kay makarelate daw silang tanan. So we chose Salamat by Yen Constantino.
And now, to express the gratitude on behalf of the graduating class, let us now listen to the graduation response from Jake Dalipi from Section Ferrari.
Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Pwede call a friend. A pleasant morning to everyone. Respected guests, administrator, staff, coordinators, speakers, beloved teachers, fellow students, their parents, and loved ones, and most especially to my fellow graduates. I am Jake Dalidig, and it's both my privilege to deliver this message on behalf of graduating class 2024-2025. Today, marks the celebration of our journey through senior high school. As we look back, we remember the challenges we faced, the silent battles we fought, and the moments we almost give up. But here we are today. We are standing on the stage na sa una ato kang ipangandoy. Finally, wala na ibot o sagbot. But now, we are just harvesting the fruits of our hard work, dedication, patience, and self-discipline. Back then, I only dreamed of studying here at DITE after I finished my grade 10 at Marilog National High School. To continue my studies, despite some financial hardships and distance from the Marilog, I held on to faith. And I told them, God will provide, and truly He did. Sa pagsugod sa klase, nangita ko mga part-time job. Nanghilog aircon, hinlog bus, lisod kayo no, pero wala ko mo cylinder kaya nagtanaw na ko sa akong nilikanan nga nanikamot ko. Sila ang rason nga wala ko mo undang sa akong pag-eskwela. Mahal pa, wala ikong pulong makapasalamat sa inyong mga maayong ngatag ka mo. Salamat sa inyong sakripisyo o gugma. Salamat sa tanan. To our automotive teachers, Sir Roel Brent Monteo, Sir Danloy Bacuna, Sir Gerbert Sabote, Sir D.R. Deponan, and Sir Alejandro Tartado, and all standing teachers and incredible faculty and staff of DITE. Thank you for guiding us, shaping us, and believing in us. Your dedication, patience, and commitment to our growth have made lasting impact on our lives. Sa akong section nga pilari nga gabing sa bahana, grabing madlumuna pero dagko mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Bisan kami o kami ginakasabaan, kami nanikamot, kay tungod kami mga pangandoy. O sa tanan akong classmate o schoolmates, daghang salamat sa mga memories nga ako nabuhat sulod sa duha ka tuig. Let me remind you, the world we experience is a reflection of the world within us. We are also a reflection of our parents, their dedication, and sacrifice to us. So to all students and the graduates here today, let this day a day of celebration. The next chapter awaits us. I need you to remember this. It's not too late to reach your goals, but do not let your desire to succeed occupy the most important things in your life. The important things in your life are relationship with people around you, your friends, your family, your health, and the most importantly, your relationship with God. To the student who will come after us, challenge yourself to grow each day. Focus not on distraction but on improvements. Strive for excellence, and you will discover your true strength. Continue what you started, and one day you will say, I made it. To my fellow graduates, as you leave this school and go our separate ways, never forget where we came from. Be proud of your journey, wear your toga with pride, and hold your diploma like a trophy. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Follow your dreams, ayaw lang pagpanikamot, ayaw lang sa paglaong sa kinabuhi. My warmest congratulations. Layo pa pero layo na, kadayo. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, Jake, and congratulations, everyone. At this point, let us invite all graduates to rise and recite the Pledge of Loyalty to be led by Mr. Ayay. Graduates, please stand up.
Please raise your right hand. Pledge of loyalty. To my alma mater, the Davao